Banggit, maybe they might do it somewhere when you blessing of the palms. Afterwards, going to the church. Wednesday, usually at the Station de Cruz around the plaza as part of the ritual of Holy Week. Yeah? Well, Banggit has no abong-abong. What they did here in Banggit, because awam with the abong-abong that plaza, they do it around the town itself and they give families. Jadi pagaramidan dati abong-abong eh. At dari kita abong-abong aramidan dari kita dakkel nga abong-abong. Do dijay di pagistasyonan dan. That's why they have the abong-abong. Because that's for the Stations of the Cross and also for the pabasa during the Holy Week. The Holy Thursday, we have the Mass, washing of the feet of the 12 apostles. And then after the Mass, we have the big procession around the town. Then you have Good Friday, you have the 7 last words, and then you have the reading of the Gospel, and after the reading of the Gospel, you have communion service, and then you have the adoration of the cross, and then you have the procession around the town. Ganti may procession eh. Kapag na Good Friday, at may mga po Jesus eh. So you have the Santo Entierro. Yung procession tula eh. Tila may procession na mindigin eh pa eh. Tapos ni Santo Entierro ka na po Santa Maria. Good Friday. And then after the procession of the Santo Entierro, you have the agap ni Santo Entierro. Daw hamon nga na yuso dito ayang tayo te Abracom. But in Manila, they have the Bisita Iglesia. Kaya yung tao, they go to, I think, either 5 churches, or 7 churches, or 9 churches, or 12.
Kami nga bikers, kasta ti obrayan men epringat sumangpati kasta nga tiyempo ti semana mapan kami kadagiti churches mang visit kararag kami. Tapos dawat iti blessing na po Diyos para kita kami kandagiti paimerte na tattao dito yung nang dito abran. Iti bisita iglesia ngamin masapul nga pito nga simbaan iti ma-visit. Ito yun iti mikapito. Nag-end kami nagrugi kami San Quintin, then Garreta Church, Soyo Church, Alinaya Chapel, Pitigan Church, St. Joseph Seminary, ito'y SBD Upog, then
Holy Saturday, there are no activities, rituals during Holy Saturday, except into the Rabiin, blessing of the fire, blessing of the Easter candle, and then the Holy